How to earn with staking. To start earning, tap Earn. On the Earn page, you can see all the Earn products that BTSE offers. Staking, flexible, fixed, and lending. Tap on Staking. To begin staking, simply choose the token you wish to stake. In this example, we'll choose DOT. Enter the amount you wish to stake, and select the desired duration. The annual percentage yield will be higher if you choose to stake it for a longer period. An instant conversion is also available if you do not already have the coin. Simply enter the amount of the token you want to convert and tap Confirm to complete the conversion. Tap Start Staking. That's it. You've successfully subscribed to BTSE's staking product.
Don't miss out on the latest updates and insights from BTSE. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on other social media platforms. Find the links in the description box below and stay connected with us today.